What is up, everybody? So on this mileage unknown, it's going to just be super short and simple. I'm out in the garage trying to get Pop's bug running, which it's sat for a while, and took it for a long drive. It does not want to idle. Under full throttle, 3/4 throttle, runs like a champ. If you're partial quarter throttle, it does not even want to. I mean, it feels like it's missing and skipping and doing all kinds of stuff. I figured the carbs probably need to be synced, and that's something I'm gonna work on, but it felt like it was missing. There's something else going on, I think. I'm going to fire the car up just so you can hear it rev up and hear what it sounds like. But then I want to show you something in the distributor that I want your guys' opinion on. I would love to know what you guys think about this. So as you heard, fires right up, revs up nice, pretty much completely shuts down. The car does have, one of those electronic ignition conversions in it. I don't know. They can be hit or miss. It seems like it's worked really well in this car, but there's something else going on. I'm going to pull the cap off and show you what I want your opinion on. All right, so here we're looking at the distributor and the rotor. Now the distributor is going to have some movement in it for the advance. This one seems like it has a ton of movement in it. Possibly more than it should. That's kind of what I'm wondering. Want your guys' opinion to see what you think. Let's try a little less zoomed in. So here's another distributor that I have lying around. Just a standard like Bosch 009, I think. And I'm going to hold the bottom. You can see this rotor moves as well, but probably half as much as the one in the car. So my question is, guys, what do you think? Do I have a worn out distributor? I don't think this distributor was actually that old. I think it was probably new when the engine was built, which is not that long ago, not that many miles ago, but just the way the car's running makes me wonder if there's something going on there. So that's what I'm dealing with today. I actually was hoping to get Pop's bug running a little bit better so we could get it out a little bit more. He's down here for the winter. The weather's been super nice, but the car doesn't want to idle. Runs pretty good going down the road. Runs great when you're giving it the beans, full throttle craziness. But if you're trying to coast or just cruise quarter throttle, not so much. I'm wondering if that distributor's bad. I'd love to get your guys' thoughts on it. Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more Volkswagen shenanigans.